हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग सीखेंगे मूडी ग्रीन टोन एडिट करना। इंपोर्ट द पिक्चर टू लाइटरूम, देन एडजस्ट द कंट्रास्ट टू +30i, then shadows to around +30, on whites to -100, then we'll toggle the black bar to +12, then we'll toggle the tint bar to -37, around -11 maybe if you need it. Clarity to +48. We'll de-age the picture to +41. We'll toggle the saturation bar to -36. We'll then change the vibration to +37. We'll then again change the tint to -30 as per need. We'll go to the tone curve next and form a small S curve. Further, I have attached the link of preset in the description below. We'll then go to HSL panel and change the settings as per requirement. Follow the setting, guys. First we'll change the hue. Then we'll change the saturation. Then we'll change the luminance. And then the most important part of this video, which is split toning. We'll change the hue toggle up to 170 or 179 so that it converts to green tone, and we'll then increase the saturation around 6. Then we'll change the shadows to around 170 so that it turns to green, and saturation to 4. Then we'll sharpen the picture and reduce the noise and color noise reduction as per need of your picture. We'll then do the required adjustment as per the picture to look good. Here is the before and after. Thanks for watching, guys. If you loved the video, hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos and share it with your friends.